Right now, AI characters are quietly taking over the internet, from TikTok influencers that don't exist to product models that never need a photo shoot. AI faces are pulling millions of views and brand deals. And most people don't even realize they are not real. But creating consistent AI face used to be impossible. One day she's your perfect model, the other day she's your distant cousin, until now. Because Midjourney released Omni-Reference and it changes everything. By the end of the video, you will know how to create your character that keeps the face, style and even moves. So let's go! Why does this even matter? Because consistency is what builds trust and the story. When people see the same character across your ads or your content, they instantly connect. It feels like a brand or even a mini universe. Think about it, Marvel has an Iron Man, AI creators now have their character, and you're about to make yours. Before Omni-Reference, we tried seeds, links or face matching tools, but the results were messy. Now Midjourney reads faces automatically. You just give it a reference and Midjourney creates consistency across every prompt. It's like giving your AI a sense of memory or a style DNA. Let's test it. Step number 1. Create your base portrait. Make it simple and clean. To create a good prompt for creating Midjourney character, we can use ChatGPT. Let's tell ChatGPT that we are going to create a character. Describe how we want this character to look and ask to create the prompt for Midjourney. I copy prompt from ChatGPT, then I go to Midjourney, to create tab, insert my prompt and submit it. Pick the one you love most. That's your character face. Step number 2, activate Omni-Reference. Let's click on Add Images, go to Omni-Reference. Here we choose the original image of our character, or we can upload a new one here. Here is a slider that shows Omni-Reference how much we want new picture of the character be similar to the source picture. The bigger the amount, the more new and source character look like each other. We work with character consistency, so I choose 1000. I used this source picture of the character and created several scenes. Watch what happens. Same smile, same eyes, same soul. That's Midjourney's memory system in action. Step number 3, keep consistency. Use the same lens, the same style, the same lighting. It will help you to keep consistency even better. If you get opposite instructions, Midjourney gets confused. Think of it like shooting a movie. Same actress, but different scenes. Now let's make it fun. Here are my top Omni tricks. Tip number 1, style lock. If you want total control, create one style card with all your favorite prompt words, camera, lighting, vibe, and reuse it in every prompt. Tip number 2, pose. Use camera terms like front view, side view, eye level. It stabilizes geometry across scenes. Tip number 3, emotion. Add emotion words like slight smile or serious expression. They are subtle but powerful in keeping realism. Tip number 4, multi-character. Omni can handle 2 reference faces in one frame. Perfect for storytelling or branded scenes. If you like finding that small but powerful AI hacks, hit subscribe. I post every week and that's always the stuff creators actually use. Now that your character's identity is stable, build your world. Each prompt becomes a new chapter, same person, new moment. That's how AI creators are starting to make series, visual novels, ad campaigns, even short films. And now that part everyone is waiting for. Midjourney can finally animate your image. Let's click on the animate button on the image. Look at this, same face, now moving naturally. Perfect for interest scenes, reels or storytelling. It's like your AI finally learned how to breathe. This is more than just a trick, it's a shift. We're moving from AI art to AI identity. The moment your AI remembers your character, you stop generating, you start creating worlds. You just learned how to create and animate consistent character in Midjourney. But in my next video, we'll go one step further. I'll show how to make the same character stay consistent across different video scenes. So hit subscribe and let's build your first digital actor together.